everybody, welcome to the first video in the Coffee Date with Tanya series. On our date today, I'm going to tell you guys everything you need to know about Nirmala College for Women, Coimbatore. From everything about what the college is like to my personal experience in different departments. If you want to get the best experience from Nirmala College for Women, I have a few secret tips at the end of this video. So, let's start. Nirmala College for Women is located in Redfields, Coimbatore. The most common way to get there is getting off at Sungam bus stand, and it's just a 2 minutes walk from there. It's right in the heart of the city, so there's like a lot of places to go and hang out with friends and grab amazing food. I'll mention a few places at the end of this video, so you guys can also go and check it out. Nirmala College has mainly 9 buildings. The Sacred Heart Block, St. Francis Block, St. Anthony's Block, the Library, the Morning Star Auditorium, Divine Mercy Block, and Ave Maria Block. And also this PhD Scholar Block, I always forget its name. And all the hostel buildings are also inside the campus. There are plenty of arts and science degrees being provided by Nirmala, but they also keep introducing new courses every year. So there is always something for everyone. I'll add the link to the college courses in the description so you guys can go check it out. Education in Nirmala is mostly cheap. Since the college focuses on affordability and inclusivity, opportunities for exposure is pretty limited compared to bigger colleges. Despite that, the rest of the experience is pretty great. The professors I had took care to complete the syllabus while also making sure that we are prepared for taking the exams by giving us tests and revisions and things like that. This college also prepares you for what comes next, in a sense that it taught me how to take criticism constructively and also deal with various kinds of problems that I might face. It taught me how to respect authority while also setting down my own boundaries. I also heard that this year they signed an MOU with Japan, which means there's a lot more opportunities in that area. Though the college might lack a few things, it more than makes up for it in effort. Nirmala College takes great care to support women in their extracurricular activities. During intercollegiate competitions and events, girls from Nirmala College are known to be a force of nature. I think it's all thanks to our professors and our principal sister. Because of them, I've been able to attend a lot of competitions, hackathons and workshops. They also invited me to take 3 workshops on skill development, starting your own business, and also a workshop on basic concepts of art. In my final year of college, I was called in to give a training program for jewelry making, and I was also the gemstone ambassador for the world record we broke in 2025. So if you're willing to work hard and balance your studies, the college is always ready to support you to reach the top. The clubs at Nirmala College are totally amazing, but my personal favorite has got to be the Entrepreneurship Development Cell, also known as EDC. Honestly, they are the main reason why I started my own small business adventure. They allowed me to set up pop-up art stalls during college fest season. They also bring in a lot of awesome people to teach you cool skills like flower arrangements, stitching, embroidery, and also painting on tote bags. These are pretty simple skills, but using them correctly can really help you a lot. And they also teach you how to strategize when starting your own business, like how to plan properly, how to take inventory, how to keep stock, things like that. If you're thinking about starting your own small business, definitely check out EDC. But there are tons of other clubs that you can also explore. I personally did not stay inside the hostel which is inside the campus, but I've heard from friends that it's not that great, but it is cheap and it's the most affordable hostel in town, so it is what it is. The science labs are fairly well equipped for the syllabus that they are covering, but I think that some of the equipments can be updated. The library is nice and clean and has a good collection of syllabus related books and more. Wi-Fi is available across campus, but it does have connectivity issues sometimes and it's pretty slow. Classes are mostly traditional, but there are plenty of smart boards for each department. The professors mostly use it to cover complex subjects. Syllabus is pretty standard and you have to compulsorily finish at least one Swayam course. Along with it, you also have to write a self-study paper, and it is compulsory. You have to do one self-study paper. I did 4 because why not? It is pretty easy, so you can just finish the entire syllabus in maybe a week before exam. Now let's talk about placements. Placement at Nirmala is pretty okay. There is 100% placement. That means everyone in your class will get a job by the end of the year. But you'll only get a great job if you're in the top 10% of the entire college in both skills and your knowledge. I got a job offer at Nice Education as an English trainer for 25k per month, along with the option to do my B.Ed while I'm also working. That's pretty much okay. It's not a physics job, obviously. Since I'm going to do my master's, I opted not to go for that job. But it's a good starting point. All in all, I feel like Nirmala College is a good starter college. Like if you plan on doing your bachelor's before pursuing your higher studies. But if you plan on getting placed, it's not the best option unless you put in a lot of effort to build a great resume. And also apply for multinational companies like Cognizant or Sutherland, A small thing that I have to put across is that not everyone at Nirmala is going to be nice to you. The college used to be very strict 2 to 3 years ago. While it has become more relaxed, some of the professors still hold on to that strictness, so they can be a little tough to you if you cross their lines. So always keep in mind that you decide who you are and not them. It is always better to keep your dignity and just apologize when needed. Sorry ma'am is just 2 words, but it helps you keep your peace of mind. A great thing about Nirmala is that the friends you'll make are going to be the absolute best. They are the main reason why my college experience can be summed up as fantastic. The memories you'll make, the joys and sorrow that you'll share, that is what will mainly help you keep your sanity while you go through college. I only had 2 close friends at school, but in college I had such a huge friend group from all departments that my heart is filled with a golden light when I think of them. If you want to see what a day in my life looks like, there are plenty of videos on my channel. Go check them out if you're curious. So that's it for our coffee date today. I hope you're doing well and feeling healthy. Make sure to tell your loved ones that you love them. Stay faithful to God and hold on to your dreams forever. If you have any more doubts, you can comment them under this video and I will make sure to answer them all. Ta-ta!